Let's be honest, we've all been there. We have this vision of wanting to take care of things around the house that we have delayed for days, weeks, or even months. So we make that trip to the hardware store, walking down the aisles, trying to find the things we need to fix the small leaks, small holes in the wall, replacing broken faceplates on electrical outlets, or new hinges on doors. But as we're walking through the hardware store, the thought of, maybe I can hire someone to fix all of this stuff for me creeps into our mind, and that's where I can help. For as long as I've been selling real estate here in Phoenix, I have accumulated a number of good trade partners, from plumbing to electrical, that can help you take care of that honeydew list. So if this fall you have plans to finally fix all of those items that you have put off for weeks and need help to get it done, give me a call. I have a huge Rolodex of people who specialize in exactly what you may need to fix, from drywall to getting a wall painted. So when it's time to get something done, don't hesitate to use me as your only resource to put you in contact with the company you need. Email me, call me, or text me. I'll have that person in your inbox in no time.